Welcome to NorthShield Windows and Doors podcast. Today we're talking about retrofitting versus full-frame windows installation. Window replacement is often done to improve the energy efficiency of the home, but can also be done to increase a home's curb appeal, which can raise the asking price of the home. When asking for a window replacement from a window replacement expert, they will typically ask if you want to do some retrofitting installation or a full-frame window installation. Many homeowners don't exactly know the difference between the two, but it is important to understand both before making a decision. In this podcast, we're going to go over the differences between retrofitting installation and full frame, as well as what scenario each is best suited for. First, retrofit window replacement. Retrofit window replacement is for homeowners that want to retain the look of their home. It is the cheaper option of the two because new windows are inserted into old frames, making the labor and materials required less costly. The problem with retrofit installation is that even if the installation is successful, problems that the old windows had may not be entirely fixed. Because of this method of installation is not recommended for older homes, as the casing, jamb extensions, and brick molds of the old frame will more than likely not be rot or crack free. Full frame window installations. Full frame window installations is a complete window replacement. When a full frame installation takes place, all of the previous window hardware, including casings, jamb extensions, and brick molds, will be replaced. The old window is entirely removed, including the frame, all the way down to the brick. This way, no moisture or damage from the old window remains. This also allows contractors to better assess your home and what needs to be done. While this may cost more, all of the extra material and labor you'll be paying for ensures a longer life on your new windows. So which is the right choice for your home? While the full frame option costs up to 20% more than the retrofit option, it is due to the extra work and materials needed for the job, as well as providing a more secure and end product. However, there may be some scenarios where retrofitting is still a perfectly fine option. So when to perform a retrofit? While retrofit window installation seems like the inferior option, there are actually a few scenarios where it does make sense. The biggest benefit to retrofit is the cost. As mentioned previously, the cost for retrofitting is up to 20% cheaper than a full frame installation. Though not as much as a full frame installation, it will improve energy efficiency of your home while retaining its already established aesthetic. The retrofitting window installation makes most sense if your existing window frames are in good condition and were installed properly. This is usually a great option for older homes that have a classic or rustic style and want to retain the look. So when to perform a full frame window replacement? The main reason homeowners go with a full frame window replacement is to replace old frames. Some common problems with frames are rotting and cracking, which can jeopardize the structural integrity of a home. Homeowners may also want to have new frames installed if they want to improve the look of their home and make it look newer to help with curb appeal. Another big reason people go for a full frame installation is to increase their home's energy efficiency. New windows and frames will ensure the best energy efficiency, while keeping old frames may reduce energy efficiency, even if marginally. The comparison of retrofitting window installation versus full frame installation isn't about which is better overall, it's about which option better suits your home. If you want to retain the look of your home and your frames are still in great shape, retrofitting is probably just what you're after. If you want maximum energy efficiency, want to make your home look modern, and are having problems with your old frames, full frame installation may be the better option. The decision will come down to what you're looking to spend and what condition your current frames are in. If you are looking to have your windows replaced, contact our team for a free in-home estimate. Contact us at 204-272-3725 in Winnipeg and 905-326-3444 in Toronto to schedule your free quote on a window replacement by our expert team. During the visit, please feel free to ask any questions you have. We are always happy to provide our customers with any details they need in order to make an informed decision. Thank you for listening to NorthShield Windows and Doors podcast.